Embark on the journey of purchasing a second-hand domestic embroidery machine with a tactful and discerning eye, and you may find yourself reaping the rewards of a wise investment that doesn't empty your wallet. People often jump into the world of embroidery with unbridled enthusiasm, only to see their passions wane over time. As a result, the marketplace is bustling with lightly used machines that still have plenty of life left in them, waiting for a new owner to scoop them up. To navigate these waters, there are several factors to consider to ensure your success. One of the primary aspects to look out for in a pre-owned machine is its condition, a factor often represented by the stitch count, the tally of stitches it has crafted over time. Understanding the stitch count. The stitch count is somewhat synonymous with the odometer reading of a car. It gives us an indication of the machine's usage. Lower stitch count machines, those with less than 2 million stitches, are usually a reflection of a machine that's been treated gently and sparingly used. They're often discovered in near-mint condition and possess a performance level that could make you question whether they've just rolled off the manufacturing line. These gems are not rare in the used market. If you keep a sharp eye out, you could snag an excellent deal, securing a piece of equipment that provides you with reliable service for a significant period. What to avoid? Conversely, machines that boast a stitch count exceeding 5 million could be a sign of a different story. While not all well-used machines are damaged goods, they have a higher likelihood of wear and imperfections. High usage may imply that the machine has not been maintained with the same level of dedication as its less used counterparts and could signify potential problems. It cannot be overstated how similar this is to the second-hand car market. The goal is to find a low-mileage machine that has been kept in stellar condition. Inspecting your potential investment. Despite the appeal of a low stitch count, it's critical not to be swayed by numbers alone. A thorough inspection is indispensable. Assess the machine for any visible signs of wear and tear, such as surface scratches, dents, or anything that hints at the machine's rugged past. This physical assessment should be paired with a performance check. Engage the machine in embroidery tasks, running several test stitches to verify that it operates smoothly and meets your expectations. Digging deeper, manuals and accessories. A noteworthy point is the inclusion of the original manual and the machine's complete ensemble of accessories. This often signals that the previous owner had a meticulous approach to their craft and equipment. Having the manual at hand is not only indicative of a well-maintained machine, but it's also an invaluable resource for troubleshooting, understanding features, and ensuring you can fully capitalize on the capabilities of your machine. Spare parts and technical support. An important consideration that's sometimes overlooked is the continuity of your machine's lifespan in terms of spare parts and technical prowess. In the pursuit of vintage charm or an unbeatable deal, don't overlook the practical aspect, availability, and cost of parts. Some older models, though alluring, may pose a challenge when it comes to finding replacements or renovations. Be preemptive. Research the spare parts market and availability of technical assistance prior to making a financial commitment. This ensures that, should the need arise, you can tend to your machine's repairs swiftly and without undue stress or exorbitant costs. The trust factor, reputable sellers. Lastly, the source of your potential pre-loved embroidery machine holds significant weight in your decision-making process. Aim to purchase from sellers who possess a proven track record. Glowing reviews and credible ratings can guide you towards trustworthy sources. Opt for specialized vendors with expertise in sewing machines or embroidery apparatus, as they're more likely to understand the nuances of their trade and provide quality goods. If circumstances permit, strive to physically encounter the machine pre-purchase. An in-person examination affords you the best opportunity to scrutinize its condition and confirm that it dovetails with your sewing aspirations. Final thoughts. In sum, the acquisition of a used domestic embroidery machine is an economical venture that, with judicious preparation, doesn't have to be a compromise on quality. A low stitch count machine in peak condition, thoroughly vetted for wear, functionality, and potential for maintenance, purchased from a seller with accolades, can lead to a rewarding embroidery experience. Invest time and effort in the search, and you may very well unveil a high-performing machine that stands as a testament to your savvy and frugal flair for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.